If you live in and/or sit on the board of your condominium association, there's so many things you really need to worry about. Yes, it's easy, there's maintenance, you pay a bill, the association handles everything for you, but there's a document, it's called the bylaws. It's a set of governing rules that dictates everything the association can, should, and shouldn't be doing with respect to individual units and the overall association. When it comes to the insurance, if you're a unit owner, you want to make sure you're protecting your stuff, yourself with liability, and your loss of use if you have to move out. And what happens if you need to rebuild? What's the association going to actually do for you? Now, if you're sitting on the board of the association, you want to find a way to get the maintenance lower. We want to bring those costs down for our unit owners, which ultimately helps the values go up. But if you're doing that by cutting corners on insurance products that are required by the bylaws, you can get in trouble as a board member, and your unit owners are certainly going to get in trouble if there comes to be an actual claim, whether it's a fire, water damage, some kind of cyber breach, theft, whatever it is. You want to make sure you're following those bylaws. Now, cutting corners, a lot of times we're seeing today is boards reducing coverage on the overall structure or raising deductibles beyond an acceptable and reasonable amount. You need to be careful when it comes down to this because you want to be protecting your unit owners, protecting the board, and making sure you're doing everything within the bylaws. If you have any more questions, reach out. If you're a unit owner or on a board, we can help on both sides of the equation. We look forward to seeing you soon.